Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to do a deep dive into all of the major ICT trading strategies. Now, I want to be upfront with you. This is not going to be a rushed overview. I want to actually walk you through each setup in a way that gives you real clarity. So whether you are completely new to ICT concepts, or you have been studying them for a while and just want a solid refresher, this video is going to be valuable for you. We've got 9 strategies to cover today. So make sure you have your charts open, grab a notebook, and let's get into it. The Venom model is a high-precision ICT-based setup built around our own 3 core adjustments that transform it from a general framework into a systematic, repeatable trading approach, especially powerful on gold and major forex pairs. Adjustment 1. Focused sessions. Rather than trading broad session windows, the Venom model narrows down to the specific moments when gold makes its biggest moves. All times in Eastern Standard Time, London, 3 a.m. to 5 a.m. New York, 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Asian, 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. These tighter windows keep you focused on peak liquidity periods, eliminate noise, and dramatically improve setup quality. Don't trade outside these windows. You're not missing moves, you're avoiding traps. Adjustment 2. The 90-minute range. Before each session starts, mark the high and low of the last 90 minutes. This gives you a precise, recent snapshot of the market's current range, your framework for entries, stops, and targets. It's short enough to reflect current momentum, long enough to capture meaningful swings. This removes the ambiguity of marking random highs and lows from the previous day, and ensures every trade has a clear, objective reference point. Adjustment 3. Instant BPR entry balanced price range. Entry is only valid when it forms immediately, within the next 5 to 10 candles, after price touches the 90-minute high or low. No waiting around, no second guessing. This keeps you entering right as smart money is active, at the exact moment liquidity is being grabbed. Trade execution entry at the high of the BPR range, using the 1-minute, 3-minute, or 5-minute chart. Stop loss above the current move's high, which swiped the 90-minute range for shorts, or below the current move's low, which swiped the 90-minute range for longs. Target. The opposite side of the 90-minute range. When all 3 elements align, focused session, 90-minute range touch, and instant BPR, you have a high probability setup that consistently delivers 1 to 7 and 1 to 8 risk to reward trades. The same logic applies across all 3 sessions. The framework is identical every time. Now, I want to show you something. Because the Venom model is so systematic and rule-based, I actually built a complete set of trading tools around it. The indicator marks the 90-minute range automatically, detects the BPR the moment it forms, and highlights the valid entry, so you're not manually drawing zones every single session. And we took it further. There's also an MT5 bot that trades this automatically. Same rules, same logic, fully hands-off. And a signals group where we call every setup live. All 3 are available right now on the DTCtools.com, and early bird pricing is live as of today. It's only open for a limited time, so if you want in at the lowest price, don't sleep on it. Link is in the description. All right, let's keep moving. Strategy 2. Inversion Fair Value Gap. The Inversion FVG is one of those concepts that separates traders who truly understand market structure from those who are just pattern matching. A standard FVG is a 3-candlestick imbalance that price tends to return to and use as support or resistance. But an inversion FVG is what happens when that expectation fails. Price blows right through the zone, completely disrespecting it. The zone that was previously acting as support now flips and becomes resistance. Example. Price is in an uptrend with a bullish FVG below. Instead of respecting that gap as support, price closes below it, creating the inversion. Now you can place a sell limit at that old FVG zone and expect price to retrace there before moving lower. The midline rule. Every FVG has a midpoint. When price pulls back to the FVG, watch what happens at the midline. If price taps it and immediately rejects, the FVG is healthy and likely to hold. If price pushes through the midline and closes beyond it, that's your early warning that the FVG is about to be disrespected and potentially invert. Inversion FVGs work significantly better when they align with higher time frame key levels. A standalone inversion on a low time frame is okay, but when it coincides with a major 4-hour or daily resistance zone, the probability increases substantially. Strategy 3, Power of 3, AMD. The power of three, also called AMD, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, is a macro framework for understanding how price moves within any session or time frame. Once you internalize it, you'll start seeing it everywhere. Accumulation, a period of sideways ranging price action. No clear trend, equal highs and equal lows are forming. Smart money is quietly building positions. Retail traders are placing stops just outside the range boundaries. Manipulation. After accumulation, price appears to break out, but it's a fake out. Price quickly snaps back inside the range. This false move sweeps the liquidity sitting just outside the range. If the fake move was to the downside, smart money was building long positions and just grabbed sell-side liquidity to fill their final orders. Distribution. After the manipulation sweep, price makes a sharp, decisive move in the opposite direction. The accumulated positions are being distributed at a profit. This is where you want to be positioned. How to trade it? Wait for the accumulation phase, sideways ranging. Confirm the fake breakout, manipulation, by waiting for price to close back inside the range. Zoom into one time frame lower, find supply or demand zones, FVGs or order blocks, in the distribution direction. Enter the trade in that zone, stop behind it, target the next major liquidity level. Pro application. The daily candle itself often follows the AMD structure: accumulation in the Asian session, manipulation during the London Open, distribution during New York. Understanding this intraday version can completely transform how you build your morning trading plan. Strategy 4. Cameron's model. Cameron's model gives you a very clear, repeatable three-step process: a draw on liquidity, a stop rate, and a fair value gap entry. Draw on liquidity. The market is always gravitating toward an area where significant orders are waiting. Equal highs, equal lows, or obvious swing points. Open the 1-hour chart and identify where price is currently heading. If it's not clear on the 1 hour, zoom into the 15-minute chart. Stop raid. On the 5-minute chart, look for a quick sweep of a swing point in the opposite direction of your draw on liquidity. If price is drawing up, wait for a swing low to get taken out first. This is the stop raid, a false move designed to collect liquidity before the real move begins. FVG entry. After the stop raid, find a fair value gap on the 5-minute or 1-minute chart in the direction of your trade. Place a limit order at the start of the FVG. If no FVG is visible on the 5-minute, zoom into the 1-minute or even the 30-second chart. In the bearish version, find a key liquidity zone below the current price. Wait for a stop rate above a recent swing high on the 5-minute, then find a bearish FVG for your sell limit entry. Remember, don't keep stop losses too tight. Price needs breathing room around the entry zone before it moves in your direction. Strategy 5. Change in the state of delivery, CISD. The change in the state of delivery, CISD, is a reversal concept. When price has been consistently delivering in one direction and then there is a dramatic, forceful shift in that delivery, that's a CISD. Picture this: a clear uptrend with strong bullish candles and multiple stacked FVGs. Everything looks bullish. Then, out of nowhere, price drops sharply, creating a strong bearish candle and a bearish FVG. That is the change in the state of delivery. This sudden momentum shift signals that sellers have entered with force and a reversal may be underway. How to trade it? Don't chase the initial drop. Wait for price to retrace back into the bearish FVG, and ideally into an inversion FVG zone, a previously bullish FVG that's been violated and flipped to resistance. When these two zones overlap, that's your high probability short entry. Wait for price to pull back into that zone. Confirm rejection on the lower time frame. A bearish FVG forming on entry time frame is ideal. Enter the short. Stop above the zone. Target the next significant support level or equal lows below. CISD setups can offer 1 to 3, 1 to 5, or even higher risk to reward when conditions align. Quick break before moving forward. If you're serious about trading and want to stop guessing entries, I built the exact tools I personally use every day. On the DTCtools.com, you'll find our complete CCT and DTC strategy suite, custom indicators, MT5 bots, and fully automated signals. And just to give you real numbers, in the last week alone, CCT took 7 trades, 4 wins, 3 losses, and still delivered 7.4 R total with a 2.6 average risk to reward. So even with losses, the system stays profitable. That's the power of proper risk management. And if you just watched the Venom model section, that tool suite is live on the same website right now, early bird pricing included. Use code LAUNCH for the best price on everything on the site. Link is in the description. All right, let's get back to it. Strategy 6. Optimal Trade Entry, OTE. The optimal trade entry concept uses Fibonacci retracement levels to find the deepest, most optimal zone to enter a trade, maximizing your risk-to-reward ratio while minimizing your exposure. In a bullish scenario, apply Fibonacci levels from the swing low to the swing high. The OTE zone sits between the 0.618 and 0.786 retracement levels. Here's why this zone matters. Better risk to reward. Your first target is the previous swing high, where liquidity rests. Entering from a deeper retracement means a much longer distance to target, a significantly better R to R. Safer stop loss. Your stop goes below the original swing low. Entering deeper means your stop is closer to that low without compromising the trade logic. Avoiding the liquidity hunt. Early buyers get hunted before the real move. By waiting for the OTE zone, you join the move after the manipulation phase has played out. Place your buy limit at roughly the 0.70 level, the midpoint of the OTE zone. If there's a fair value gap within the OTE zone, that's an even higher probability entry. Note, because you're waiting for deeper pullbacks, you will sometimes miss trades that don't retrace far enough. This setup works best on assets with deep retracements, like gold, XAU/USD. Strategy 7. The Silver Bullet. The Silver Bullet is one of the most talked about setups in the ICT community, and for good reason. It's clean, it's structured, and it works across multiple sessions. The Silver Bullet is built around 3 core concepts: a market structure shift, a liquidity sweep, and a fair value gap. Each one plays a specific role in the setup, so let me break them down one by one before we put it all together. Liquidity sweep. This happens when price temporarily breaks beyond a key level, like a session high or low, to collect the stop losses and pending orders sitting in that area, before quickly reversing back inside the range. Smart money needs liquidity to fill large orders. This is how they get it. Market structure shift, MSS. This is your confirmation signal. In a bearish setup, it occurs when price breaks and closes below a recent swing low after the liquidity sweep. This tells you that the sellers are now in control and the move is likely to follow through to the downside. Fair value gap, FVG. A 3-candle imbalance where the wicks of the first and third candles do not overlap. This creates a zone that price often revisits before continuing in the direction of the imbalance. Bearish silver bullet. Step by step. Step 1. Wait for price to spike above the day's high during the London or New York session, and then quickly return inside the range. That spike is the liquidity sweep. Price went up, grabbed all those buy-side orders above that key level, and rejected. Step 2. Wait for the market structure shift. This is confirmed when price closes below a recent swing low on the lower time frame. Step 3. Identify the bearish fair value gaps that formed during the drop. Place a sell limit at the beginning of the FVG and wait for price to retrace back into it. Stop loss. Just above the FVG or above the liquidity sweep high. Target. The next significant demand zone or equal lows below. In the bullish scenario, everything flips. Wait for price to sweep liquidity below the day's low. Confirm a bullish MSS. Identify bullish fair value gaps. And place a buy limit at the start of the FVG. If the FVG is very small or narrow, give yourself a slightly wider stop loss. Thin gaps can be pierced before price resumes direction. The silver bullet is powerful, but like every strategy, it requires patience. Don't force the setup. If the liquidity sweep isn't clean or the MSS is ambiguous, simply skip it. Strategy 8. Turtle Soup. The Turtle Soup setup trains you to use liquidity raids as your entry trigger, not as a threat. Most retail traders get stopped out by liquidity sweeps. Turtle Soup traders profit from them. A bullish turtle soup occurs when price sweeps liquidity below a recent swing low while resting above a bullish fair value gap. The FVG acts as a demand zone that catches price after the sweep. Bullish trade walkthrough. You're in an uptrend. You identify a clear swing low. Below that low, retail stop losses and buy limit orders are clustered. You also notice a bullish FVG sitting just beneath that swing low. Price dips below the low, triggers all those orders, then immediately reverses and closes back inside the range. Once price snaps back and shows rejection at the FVG level, you enter long. Stop below the gap. Target at the next significant resistance or equal highs above. What makes this setup powerful? You are entering exactly where weak hands got shaken out. Smart money has collected the liquidity it needed, and the real move higher can now begin. Strategy 9. Candle Range Theory, CRT. Candle Range Theory trains you to think about individual candles as mini markets with their own liquidity above and below. Every candle's high and low act as liquidity targets for the candles that follow. CRT is analyzed across 3 candles with distinct roles. Candle 1 defines the range. Its high and low are your key liquidity levels. Candle 2 creates the sweep. It breaches one side of Candle 1's range to collect liquidity. Candle 3 provides the entry signal and directional move. In an uptrend, identify a bearish correction candle, mark its high and low. If the next candle dips below the low and reverses back inside the range, without closing below, you have a valid CRT sweep. Drop to a lower time frame, find a bullish FVG, and set your buy limit entry. Stop loss below the HTF second candle. Target the high of the first candle. Key rule: if price closes outside the range rather than sweeping and returning, skip it. CRT works on any time frame combination. Swing traders use daily/4 hour. Day traders use 4 hour/1 hour with 15-minute entries. Scalpers can use 5-minute with 1-minute entries. The logic is universal. All right, guys, that is all 9 ICT trading strategies. The Venom model, Inversion FVG, Power of 3, Cameron's model, CISD, Optimal Trade Entry, Silver Bullet, Turtle Soup, and Candle Range Theory. The most important thing I want to leave you with: none of these setups work in isolation all the time. The best trades happen when multiple concepts align. For example, a silver bullet setup that also falls inside an OTE zone on a higher time frame key level. That kind of confluence is what separates good trades from great trades. Study these concepts one at a time. Get comfortable with each before you start stacking them. And always have a proper risk management plan in place. No strategy will save you from poor position sizing. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button and subscribe, because we are just getting started. Here's what I want to tell you. This video isn't a one-off breakdown. What we're actually building on this channel is a complete toolkit for every single one of these strategies. Indicators, automated bots, signals groups, one by one, strategy by strategy. 9 strategies, 9 full systems. The Venom model is first, and it's live right now on the DTCtools.com. Early bird pricing is open today, and it closes a few days after the official launch. After that, the price goes back up. So if you're interested, now is genuinely the best time to get in. Link is in the description. But the bigger picture is this: every strategy you watch today is going to get the same treatment. We are building the full toolkit for all 9. This channel is documenting that entire journey, and it's going to be a long one. Subscribe and turn on notifications. You genuinely don't want to miss what's coming. Last thing, drop a comment below. Which of these 9 strategies do you want me to build tools for next? I read every single one, and your answers actually shape what we prioritize. See you in the next one.